In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your tax transcript online using Turbotax in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can access your tax transcript quickly and easily. First things first, let's get started by navigating to the Turbotax official website. If you're not familiar, Turbotax is a popular tax preparation software that many people use to file their taxes online. It's renowned for making the otherwise daunting process of tax filing much more manageable. So open your preferred web browser and go to the Turbotax official site. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar homepage with options for tax filing and resources for various tax needs. Next, you'll want to sign in to your account. You'll notice a sign in button prominently displayed at the top of the homepage. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. However, if you've used Turbotax before, simply enter your email and password to access your account. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the Turbotax homepage, which is your dashboard for all things tax related. Here, navigate to the Your Tax Returns and Documents section. This is where you'll find all of your tax related documents, making it easy to manage and review past filings. Once you're in the Your Tax Returns and Documents section, look for the specific area where you can access your tax transcript. Typically, you'll find options to view or download tax documents from various years here. Choose the relevant year for which you need the transcript. It's important to ensure you select the correct year to avoid any confusion with your records. After selecting the appropriate year, click on it and you should see an option to view or download your tax transcript. Depending on your internet speed, the document should download quickly and be ready for your review in a few moments. Once the transcript is downloaded, it's a good idea to save it to a secure location on your computer for easy access later. You might also consider printing a physical copy for your records if needed. And that's it, you've successfully obtained your tax transcript online using Turbotax. Remember, having access to your tax documents is crucial for a variety of reasons, from verifying past income to applying for loans or financial aid, so keeping them organized and easily accessible is always a smart practice. Thanks for joining me today in our quick and easy guide on obtaining your tax transcript through Turbotax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials.